Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. In today's video, I'm going to show you some very quick and easy Dollar Tree fall DIYs. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. With that being said, now let's craft. From Dollar Tree, I will be using one of the wood blacks. Now, this is already a beautiful natural wood color, and you can leave it like this or paint it. To paint this, I'm using the Deco Art acrylic paint in the color Buttermilk, making this look more washed out. After this is dry, I'm using the Dollar Tree poster sticker letters to add the word harvest. And this is how it looks. Now I'm going to flip it around and use this Dollar Tree ribbon to add it to the back. Now this is going to make the pumpkin look green. Now I did have to use several pieces to cover the entire pumpkin. Now this ribbon has wire to make this pumpkin look like it has some details on it. I added one of the pieces in the center first, and then I added the others on the side. You'll see once I flip it around how it looks like it has some details on it. With the Dollar Tree jute twine, I will be making a bow and adding it to the pumpkin. Using the same green ribbon, I will be adding a piece to the bottom, and I will be folding it so like that it has some more details on it. I felt like it wasn't enough, so I added some jute twine. To finish this off, I will be adding some of the Dollar Tree little wood pieces. Now, I got these last year, but I'm pretty sure Dollar Tree will carry them again this year. I will be adding a bigger leaf and then a smaller leaf. So like that, the smaller leaf will cover the little holes that the bigger leaf has. Or you can add pumpkins like you seen earlier. And that is it, guys. Now the last thing I decided to do was make this look more rustic using the Waverly Antique Wax. For my next project, I will be using one of the newest Dollar Tree pumpkins that I recently picked up. This beautiful green one. I did pick up two different ones, this green one and a white, or it looks more like an ivory color. Now I will be making a topiary. I'm using a smaller white pumpkin. Now this pumpkin, I already had it, but Dollar Tree does carry different pumpkins that you can use instead. I'm also using this wood piece that it's also from the Dollar Tree, and I got this a while back, and it is painted with the antique wax. I'm going to start by gluing these together. I did remove the stem off of both pumpkins. I use hot glue, but if you want, you can use an E6000 or a super glue for this. Like that, they can be nice and sturdy. But I felt like with the hot glue, it's going to be just fine. Now I did add a leaf in some of these little beads. I got the greenery, or not the greenery, the leaf pick from the Dollar Tree. And now I'm going to just add the stem. Now I'm adding it on the white pumpkin. I'm not using no hot glue or anything. I'm just gonna stick it in there and then glue the pumpkin to the wood piece. To finish it off, I will be making a jute twine bow, and that is it for this beautiful topiary. For my next project, I'm using one of the Dollar Tree white cutting boards, and I'm using the same ribbon, which is this beautiful green. It's like a forest green color. I actually got this ribbon last year and I got it from the Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to just cut a piece and glue it to the bottom part of the cutting board. Now I'm going to add this Dollar Tree DIY word. It says welcome fall. I didn't paint it, I just left it the color it was, and I added on top of the ribbon. I will be adding this pumpkin to the top part. Now this pumpkin comes from the Dollar Tree. It comes in the pack of 8. And I'm just painting it using the Waverly chalk paint in the color ivory. I then mixed 2 colors and added some details to the pumpkin. To finish this off, I made a jute twine bow and added some jute twine around the handle part. And that is it for this beautiful welcome cutting board. For my next project, I'm using a Dollar Tree jar and the same ribbon. I'm going to start by just gluing some of that ribbon around the jar. The next thing I did was wrap some of the jute twine around the ribbon. Now I wasn't sure if I should just wrap it around the ribbon or wrap it around the top part, but then I decided to just do it around the ribbon. I tied it. I didn't make a bow. I added a leaf first and then I added a bow. And that is it for this vase. Now the next thing I will be adding is the greenery, which are these beautiful leaves that I got from the Dollar Tree. And that is it. Alright, my next project is going to be very easy and simple to do. From Dollar Tree, I'm using one of these square decor signs, which I removed the Happy Fall pumpkin. It's already pretty as is, but I just wanted to make this more my style. Now to do that, I used the same ribbon. I cut a piece off and added it to the bottom part of the sign. I then used this gift thanks little wood sign that I got from the pack and added a pumpkin, which I used this clip-on pumpkin that I got from the Dollar Tree. I cut it in half. I added some brown details, but because I added too much, I had to go back with some white paint. But that is it. The next thing I did, once this was dry, I glued the pumpkin right on top of the gift thanks, added the stem and a jute twine bow. And that is it for this quick and easy Dollar Tree fall DIYs. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.